So first of all, I just want to say that I know I haven't uploaded a video in a while. I kind of go through weird phases of like vlogger's block, I guess. It's where I kind of hit a brick wall with YouTube and I need to have like a break and think about ideas without forcing them out, if that makes sense. I don't want to force out videos that I don't really want to make. And sometimes I get to that point with YouTube where I just think that I'm like churning out videos because that's what I think other people want to see, but it's not really what I want to film. So that's when I know it's time for a little bit of a break. But I have had a few ideas in the pipeline now that I want to do, and this is one of them. So I'm sure a lot of people have seen this product advertised because I see it literally probably like once every 4 hours on my Instagram timeline a day. And it's this. This is Diablo Lash Lift. And basically, as I'm scrolling through my Instagram, the advert pops up and it's like people perming their own eyelashes, and lash lifting, or LVL, whatever you want to call it, has become like quite popular recently because obviously people want nice eyelashes, but eyelash extensions are expensive, they don't last very long, and they're a bit weird looking, I think, sometimes. Yeah. But LVL, or lash lifting, is just basically where you perm your natural eyelashes to make them look curlier. It basically just like pushes them up at the root and it makes them like go back a little bit. I was really intrigued by these advertisements because the results always look so good on them, but I'm also really like sketchy about them because I don't always think that they're 100% reliable because they obviously only use the best footage for their adverts. So I thought I'd take the plunge and do my own lash lift on camera. Yeah, if this works then I'll be so happy because apparently this has like 8 uses or 6 uses in it. And it lasts like, I think maybe 2 months, or whenever your natural eyelash cycle recycles. No. So I'm going to follow the instructions as best as I can and hope for the best, really. So I bought this while it was on offer, and the website said that the original price for it was £56, but I got it while it was on like a 50% off deal, so I got it for about £25. I don't know whether that's one of those things where it's like a special half price deal for today only and it's actually on like all year round. So I'm just going to show you a before of what my eyelashes look like at the moment. They're pretty straight, which is annoying because I don't really know the length of them. I think their length is just like an average length for an eyelash, maybe a little bit short. But yeah, they're straight, so sometimes when I look face onto the camera you can't even see them, which is so annoying, so this is why I want a lash lift. So let's get going. It looks pretty suave. Oh, by the way, this is not like sponsored or gifted or anything. I bought this with my own money. So there's no instructions. That's very concerning. Okay, the instructions are on the back of the box. I would have thought there would be a bit more in-depth like leaflet inside, but it is what it is. Okay, so it says the first step is to cleanse. I really hope I'm not allergic to any of this stuff. Right, this smells so strong of like alcohol. So I'm really trying not to get this in my eyes because I feel like that would hurt. Pick out the correct lift pad for your eyelid, then apply a line of adhesive to the underside of the pad, wait a few seconds and place the pad along your lash line. Okay, these are the little lift pads, there's 5 pairs in here. I don't really know how you're supposed to know what size is best for your eyelid. Okay, so I googled it and it said that if you put the pad on and you brush up your eyelashes, it should reach the middle. I think I'm going to play it safe and go for the large one, even though I know my eyelashes probably aren't like the longest eyelashes in the world. They come about to the middle and I don't want them to be too short because I know that's when people get them just like pressed against their eyelid. Okay, on goes the adhesive. I'm scared. Everything smells very chemically so far and it's only the glue and the cleanser. So I really fear for what the perming solution is going to smell like, but here we are. I'm sorry if I go out of shot at any point throughout this, but I'm trying really hard to concentrate here. So on it goes. Okay, sexy look. Look like I've got a burn on my eyelid. I'm thinking I need to apply the glue to this bit, otherwise I don't know how my lashes are going to stick, so I'm just going to do that and hope that's what they mean. So I've got to do this and then wait a few seconds for that to get tacky. So now I've got to use this little comb thing to push my eyelashes up and make sure they're straight. Right, they're not really sticking. We're just going to keep going with it. Oh, okay. That's a bit better. Man, this is hard. I'm going in with more glue. I think that's the best I'm going to get it. I've tried to do them like as straight as I can and as separate as I can, but it was really hard because the glue was kind of drying really fast. Apply the perm lotion along your lash line root area, cover with cling film and wait 15 minutes. Here is the perm solution. I'm going to use a cotton bud again because I don't think they've given me anything to use. No, they haven't. Oh my friggin' god. That stinks. So far, the smells in this lash lift have been interesting, let's just put it that way. This smells like Veet. if anyone's ever used Veet before, but worse. Right, there's no going back now, the perm solution is on. It doesn't sting, but I'm really being careful to not get it anywhere near my actual eye. But I can definitely feel something about to sting. Like if I went in here with my eye into my eyeball, I feel like it would really, really sting. I feel like 15 minutes is quite a long time to wait. I'm gonna set a timer and maybe try and start doing my other eye, even though I won't be able to see anything. Sick, see you in 15 minutes. Okay, yeah, my eyesight is really starting to dwindle now. Wow, that second eye was a lot easier, which makes me concerned because I think now, did I do it wrong? Okay, now I just got to do something without the use of my eyes for 15 minutes.
A few moments later.
Okay, I've got 2 minutes left on my timer, so now I'm gonna try and read the next instructions. Remove perm with a cotton bud. Repeat process with the fixed solution along lash line. Cover with cling film and wait 8 minutes. Oh my god, this is so long. Oh my god, it's stuck. Oh no, we're good. Okay, so now I've got to remove perm solution with a cotton bud. I don't know how much this cotton bud is getting off, but it feels like not a lot. This is the fixed solution. Let's see if this one smells like arseholes. They look so good right now, it's actually quite crazy. This is the most normal smelling one so far, so hopefully that's a good sign. Okay, she's on. Now back in with the cling film. Right, I've only just had the genius idea of folding the cling film up so I can actually see. So first I'm going to put the fixed solution on this eyelash, and then I'm going to remove all of this. I'm scared. This may be a stupid thing to say, but I don't know what actually does the curly bit. Is it the perm or the fix, or is it like a combination of both? Because now I'm scared if I mess them up a little bit, the fix is going to fix them in that way. So I'm trying to be really careful. So now I'm going to take this one off. Oh my god, I'm so scared. Okay. Okay. I actually think that worked. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Okay, that is so much more like up there and curly than it was before. I'll show you like a proper close-up afterwards once this one's done too. Before and after vibes. But I'm so pleased with that. I think that looks so different to what it did before. I mean, it's not perfect. There's a little bit close to my eyelid on the inside here. But overall, I think that was well worth it. I just feel like this one's not going to be as curled as the other one. Actually, I think that side might be better. So, good. We're done. Yay, I'm so pleased with these results actually. This side's definitely a lot more curly. I feel like I didn't leave this side on long enough. But at the same time, this side is more like less stuck to my eyelid. This one isn't stuck to my eyelid at all, but I feel like if I'd have done it any smaller shield, it would have definitely been like stuck against my eyelid. It's not, thank God, but it is very curly near the corner here. But this side looks way more like natural, I feel like, and it looks like my eyelashes could have just been like curled that way. I feel like it's more like, woo, and this side's more like, I don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna do a few close-ups so you can really see what the difference is. Okay, so that's it for this video. Out of 10, I probably would give that kit like a 7.5, 8, because I'm really happy with the results. I think I'll definitely use it again. The only reason I docked points off is because it is quite difficult to use, and I feel like you could easily go wrong with it if you didn't do everything like perfectly. So it is quite hard to use, but I feel like if you do it right, the results are amazing. I don't think my results are like amazing, but I feel like they're pretty good and I'm happy with them. So yeah, I feel like I'll definitely use it again. I think my left side's a lot better, so I feel like next time I do them, I'll definitely try and copy what I did on this side more than this side, because this one is a little bit kind of like at the front. But overall, I'm really happy with it, and I'm actually pleasantly surprised that an Instagram ad wasn't lying to me, and it actually did work. So yeah, if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and comment below if you want me to do anything more like this, like trying different Instagram sponsored things. I really like that video idea as like a topic, so I want to do another one I think in the future, but let me know what kind of products you want me to try out for you. Leave a comment down below if you've ever done your own lash lift or if you are thinking about doing it. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye.